In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Logout Gmail account from all devices. Maybe you left your account signed in on a shared computer, or you've upgraded phones and want to make sure nothing old still has access. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to review every place your account is signed in, remove access from devices you don't use, and end other web sessions to keep your email secure. Start by opening your internet browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and sign into your Gmail account as you normally would. Make sure you're on the official Google sign-in page, and if you're on a shared computer, consider using a private or incognito window so your session doesn't stay open. Once you're in Gmail, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. It might show your photo, your initial, or a generic avatar. From the drop-down, choose Manage your Google account. This opens your main account settings, which is where you control security across all Google services. On the left side of the account settings page, click Security. This section is all about protecting your account. Scroll down until you see your devices, then click Manage all devices. Here you'll see a list of phones, tablets, and computers that are currently signed in or have been active recently. You'll notice device names, platforms like Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac, and the last active time. Locations are approximate and can vary, so focus on whether the device type and activity makes sense for you. Take a moment to review the list carefully. Identify any device that you don't recognize or no longer use, like an old laptop or a phone you sold. For each device you want to remove, click Sign Out next to it and confirm. This ends the account session on that device and prevents new access until someone signs in again. It won't erase anything on the device itself, but it does protect your Gmail and other Google data from being accessed. If you just need to quickly end open browser sessions like tabs left on a work or school computer, look for the option to sign out of all other web sessions. This is a fast way to close active sign-ins on other browsers without removing trusted devices. When you're done, double-check your device list to confirm unwanted sessions are gone. That's it, your Gmail is now more secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.